Listening test. Lesson Childhood. This lesson is an extract from Gandhiji's autobiography titled The Story of My Experiments with Truth. Here he describes some incidents of his childhood. Gandhiji was then about 12 years old. The incidents he describes had a deep impression on his young mind. Read these incidents and think how different Gandhiji was from the other children of his age. I must have been about 7 when my father left Porbandar for Rajkot to become a member of the royal court. There I was put into a primary school. I can well recollect the names and other particulars of the teachers who taught me. I was only a mediocre student and there was hardly anything to note about my studies. From this school, I went to a middle school and from there to a high school. By now, I had reached my 12th year. This is the end of paragraph.